friends, in last class we discussed parts of speech and what is parts of speech and types in the parts of speech and how the types is divided into three groups. Now in this class we can discuss the first type, noun. So what is a noun? As I said in the last class, noun is any name. Yes, it's true. Noun is any name, any particular name. Now we can read Tamil Nadu. Chennai, Delhi. These and all are names. So these are nouns only. Any name. You can see any name that is noun only. Now in the noun there are some types. There are two types of nouns. Now we can discuss. There are two types of nouns. One is concrete noun. Another one is abstract noun. Concrete noun is nothing but that we can see with our naked eyes. We can see that in our eyes is called concrete noun. Abstract noun that we cannot see with our eyes. We can feel. So happiness we can feel inside only, not we can see out with our eyes. So in this concrete noun also there are four types. Now let we can see. First one is proper, common, collective, material. There are four types of concrete noun. There are proper, common, collective, material. These are also nouns only. So proper, we can see first proper noun. Raghu, Ravi, Ram. See, these are, we can tell their names. So they are called proper nouns. What is a common noun? Here, a common thing. Here we can say Raghu, Ravi and Ramu. These are a persons. So there is a common between these three persons, these three names. We can say these three names are persons. So this is a common of three. So this is a proper noun and this is a common noun. Now we can say collective noun. Bunch, committee, flock. Collective. That collective noun is that we can collect something. We can collect two or more. See, bunch. Bunch is a many more. We can say bunch of wood, bunch of banana. Committee. A committee has so many members. We can say that committee is also a collective noun. Flock. We can say flock of sheep. Sheep are so many in number and they are roaming there and there. We can say that the group of sheep is called a flock of sheep. Now the last, material. What is a material? We can say a cotton material, silk material. That is only a material. Gold. Gold is also a material that we can buy. Silver, cotton, jute. These are made by someone. So this is a concrete noun and the types of concrete noun. We can revise first two. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun and material noun. These are the four types of concrete nouns. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is a name of any names. Raghu, Ravi and Ramu. I am taking these examples. Common. Common means there is so many members and there is one common. So we can now say Raghu, Ravi and Ramu. These are a common persons. These are a common persons. So we can tell this is as a common noun. What is a collective noun? Bunch, bunch of wood. There are so many wooden pieces that we can collect, means a bunch of wood will come. Committee has so many members. The members have joined together is called a committee. Flock. A group of sheep is called flock. What is a material noun? Gold, silver, cotton, jute. We can say as this a material nouns. What is an abstract noun? Abstract noun is nothing but only feelings. What? Happiness, sadness, honest, kindness. These are all abstract noun only. You can say that these are all abstract nouns only. Now, in today's class, this class is going to complete. Now, today's class we discuss what is a noun, what are two types of noun, and in concrete noun how many types and their explanation, and what is a abstract noun. So, friend, this is our today's class. If you like this video, press the like button. If you don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.